I have this best friend since elementary. Tapos nag-open up siya sa akin. Meron siyang decision na nabuntis siya, tapos hindi siya ready. Tapos nag-aaral pa. And yung parents niya, sadly, hindi rin open for it. They had the decision na i-remove na yung life ng baby. I-abort
Whose
na.
decision? Her decision or even the parent?
Actually,
even the parents?
that's what made her broken kasi yung parent pa mismo yung nag-ano. So yung question ko po is, paano, kasi ang ano niya sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, hindi ko nakakayanin magsimba pa. Kasi yung, yung sin na nagawa niya, hindi niya nakayang. So gusto ko siyang tulungan na bigyan ng hope na bumalik kay Lord.
Okay, alam mo, yun yung misconception about God na hindi niya tayo kayang patawarin. Kaya may mga ibang taong sinasabi, hindi ako bagay sa church, no, hindi ako makakapasok kasi masusunog ako. And in fact, yung sinishare mo, ginawa ko, hindi ako nagpalaglag, definitely. Meron akong ka-live-in partner who got pregnant na kinonvince ko siya na magpa-abort. And there was one video, in fact, pastor na ako, nag-present ako, napanood ko itong video na to, yung baby, yung fetus nagsasalita. Alam mo, hindi alam ng wife ko yun eh. Humagulgol ako, okay, and then sinare ko sa kanya. Actually, during one of my talks, at saka ako humagulgol kasi sobra ako na-convict eh. Because it's a life eh. Di ba? Buhay na yon, and literally, it's actually murder. I made that mistake when I was 17 years old. Okay? I took a life, it was wrong, pero despite that, ang dami kong nagawa, pero pinatawad ako ng Diyos. Ito yung pinakamaganda. By nature, lahat tayo makasalanan. Agree ba kayo ron? Yes. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, makasalanan ka. Makasalanan. Okay, sagutin mo, ikaw din, sobra. Ako, sinasabi ko sarili ko, itong comforting words for me. I made a lot of mistakes, pero I was never a mistake kay God. Okay? And si God is a God of not just second chances, but He gives so many chances to those who are broken. Okay? Tatanggapin siya, walang kasalanang sobrang bigat na hindi kayang patawarin na mapagmahal na Diyos.